Hi folks, I hope you're all having a good day. Today I picked up some documents from FedEx using my e-bike. This FedEx location is kind of interesting because there's a shortcut that makes the trip much shorter if you use an e-bike versus a car. And as I go through the video, you can see where the shortcut is, and I just love this shortcut. Now, if you notice, I've started recording these videos, and the main purpose is due to the fact that there are so many articles talking about the benefits of e-bikes and how good they are, how good they are for the environment, for your finances and your fitness and all that. But I was like, I want to see numbers. I want to make sure that these numbers are visible to me, and I'm sure a lot of people want to see these numbers before they buy an e-bike, because e-bikes compared to bicycles are more expensive. Compared to cars, they're not as expensive, obviously, but you may want to know exactly what you're signing up for. And for that reason, I started to add these measurements to all the videos, showing how much money I save for every trip and CO2 emission savings, which is quite important. And interesting enough, these numbers are not compared with an old gas car to make them look better. These are comparisons between e-bike and a Tesla Model 3, so it's really as good as it gets on the car side of it for these comparisons. And obviously you burn more calories on e-bikes, and that's the reason why I tried to put that out there as well. Now you may say, if you were riding a bicycle, you would be able to burn more calories. Well, that's technically true, but there are a lot of studies that show people with e-bikes are more likely to ride their e-bike, and as a result, they have looked at the overall usage of e-bikes versus normal bicycles, and they noticed that people who get an e-bike, they ride it more often, and that actually balances out the more calories that they would burn if they were using a normal bicycle. So I think overall with calories I'm pretty happy, because if I was in a car I would definitely not burn as much. So, and I think that's pretty good. So stay tuned, we're going to have more videos of different kind of trips and different places, and we're going to put more numbers out there for more people to be able to make decisions, educated decisions about getting an e-bike. See you next time.